What is up, my people? Welcome to another market update. This is for November 12th. Taking a look. What's up, guys? Welcome to another market update. This is for November 12th. So let's dive right in. Let's take actually a quick look at the overall chart for the S&P 500. As you all know, these last couple days have been just crazy, huge momentum based on Trump's presidential win. You see it here, you see it across all indices, the Nasdaq, the Dow, practically the market really like that news. So we've kind of come to a point these last couple of days, or last day actually, building some value here at the 6,000 level, 623, as you see here. Um, Taking a look at the Heikenaishi, which kind of shows momentum, it removes the noise in the market, which is why I love this chart. So on a daily time frame, you can see that we're still pushing up higher, but the 4 hour we see here, right? We can see here on this 30-minute chart, we moved up and then we kind of traded sideways. We can see it here with this red candle, but we failed and we pushed up a little higher. But now we're kind of starting to see those lower lows and lower highs in the market structure part of the cycle. So what I see here is just price discovery. Of course, this is all brand new territory. Yesterday we saw a lot of big orders on the ES coming, aggressive orders coming in on the tape, meaning that institutional money uh, is coming into the market and positioning themselves because their entire deal is to do it on a larger perspective. So overall, we're finding some balance above this 6,000 area. Let's take a look at the TPO charts real quick so we can talk a little bit more about balance. Um, for you that understand this, great. For you that don't, you can look into my classroom section in school, and I will talk about that in more depth. But here we see the market push up higher, right? Build some value higher, build some value higher, and we've just been trading sideways over here, right? Since Friday, we kind of accepted this price range of call it 6,000 to 650. Um, And if I were to see, I can see this from a naked eye, but if I were to merge these profiles together, it would be a nice belt distribution. And that to me, that in the auction market theory is identified as fair value. So the market is practically trading between this range. So what can I see? What I can see happening here is a straw, a little rectangle. If we were to push, below, this is a good support, right, on a value basis. And then we have some just, it doesn't have to be perfect, but, something along these lines right here. This would be a good resistance. And then, of course, we have highs over here if we were able to do that. So, these are some levels to win, and we'll do one more over here just to, you know, uh, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just need an idea, a map, right? A map, and then you'll let price action play its part. What I do like to note is, we like to, let people get squeezed out. So looking at stop losses is a big deal, but I always see the market right now. It's pretty balanced. Can we hold this 6,000 level? Can we go back to 640? Now, this is where we get into some Greek exposure. Pulling up my Greek exposure chart here. So on the right side, this is the open interest, current open interest for the ES options market, and this is our 0D DTE, so 0 days to expiration volume. So we can see here, some speculation on the upside, some speculation on the downside, pretty even distribution across both sides. Over here, we see not too many. Let me just put this up a little bit higher so you can see better. So we see a little bit of open interest here on the upside, of course, and a big, 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 big put 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 strike at this 6,000 level. This is a 5 point increment. Um, what I will do want to show you though is the change. We have to always had some value some comparison. So yesterday's uh Greek exposure chart showed like this is the open interest that was shown yesterday. So if we take a look here, look at all these calls that were in the market, and of course puts as well. So a lot of speculation as of Monday. Uh, we can ignore the volume over here because is irrelevant. I mean, we can take into consideration that the volume here couldn't push the market, but yeah. So what I want to note here is we see a lot of both sides speculation and the market kind of balancing out here, which is what it should be doing in theory. But the most important thing to note is all those calls and all those puts have left the market, right? So people are kind of not participating anymore. They do not know where to place their bets per se, except that same strike, that same bid put strike is there. So we're pretty we're trading at a fair value right now. As I said, the market can trade between these two levels. Um, I'm gonna trade it as is. Look at the VWAP, pretty much a straight line to the right. Pretty balanced area. So we see a doji candle here on the daily chart, signifying that price is balanced. If you know candlesticks, you know that this is balanced, right? We see a bullish engulfing candle. Take all this consolidation. Doji bullish, 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 a little bit of momentum. We're kind of building up some support here. This is a Heiken Ishi chart that I have on the 30-minute chart. Momentum building up on upside. So overall, market is looking pretty balanced. Um, those are my key levels over here. I'll draw them actually here. I want to do some profile support and resistance. So let's just go here. And then 6,000. So taking a look at the profile, we have low volume area here. So why am I identifying these low volume nodes? Because that's where price spent, that's where the least amount of volume was spent. So if you think about it in terms of less volume equals less participants, less interest in this price is most likely going to reject it. It did not like that price. Price likes to go where there's participants, where there's transactions, and that is here. So we can draw another one over here, and we can technically draw one right here, right from here to here, but I'm just gonna keep it very simple and just draw one right here too. This is like the line in the sand, right? This is my map, right? We have value, value, uh, and that's my game plan. I want to see just what I want to see in the market right now is trading this 0 DTE because I know we're in a very balanced area. Um, so again, just be cautious. The market's trading sideways. That bull run that we had is kind of starting to fade out. So just be cautious on your longs. don't stick to a bias, and that'd be all for today.